Everyone, what's going on? Today's video I want to show you how to connect the wireless Bluetooth headphones to an iPhone 11. Now this here is the 11, and of course it should work with the 11 Pro and the Pro Max as well. So basically, before we do anything with our headphones, let's go ahead and just have the Bluetooth settings on so that when you're ready to connect the headphones, it will be available. So we'll go to settings, then we'll go to Bluetooth here, turn that on. And as you do that, it's going to search for nearby devices for maybe about a minute or two. Now with these headphones, make sure the battery life is around like more than half. And then on the off state, you'll long press the same center button, okay? The button in the middle with the call icon. You'll hold that down while it's off and don't let go until you see the blue-red blinking lights. Once you see that, it means the headphones are now in a pairing state mode. And from here on, all you got to do is just wait for it to show up on your iPhone 11. And of course, again, this works with the 11 Pro and the Pro Max as well. So they're going to show up as Bluetooth Music. That's the name of the headphones. So check your guide and see what the name of your headphones are. Yours may be a little different, so you'll know the name of yours. And once you see it, just tap on it. It will say connected, and you'll notice the blinking blue lights here and there. But that's pretty much normal. Like, share, and sub, turn on notifications if you're new to my channel, and thanks for watching. See ya.